Hello, grammar enthusiasts. Welcome back to our English language journey. Today, we are diving into another topic, which is 10 different ways to say goodbye train. Let's explore 10 alternatives that will add flair to your expression. Other ways to say goodbye train: last boarding call. Last boarding call for the 10 a.m. train to New York. Train departs. The train is now departing. Have a safe trip. Last minute dash. I made it in a time. The doors are closing. Boarding concludes. Sorry, we can't let you on. Boarding has concluded. Gate losing. Please move quickly. The gate will be closing soon. Step abroad. Welcome abroad. Please find your seat and make yourself comfortable. Embark journey. We hope you enjoy your journey with us today. Onward bound. Our next stop is Chicago. We are now onward bound. Leave station. Goodbye. Next stop, Brigham. Travel concealment. All passengers, please take your seats as we prepare for departure.